Exercise 2.2. Now we will have a look at different types of input controls. We have practiced with a drop-down list, and now we can explore other options. Let's see here we have the cell A1. Let's imagine that's a cell that we need to write down your grade in. And how much could your grade be? Could your grade be 11? Probably not. Could your grade be 0.1? Probably yes, but as you know, in our student system, it won't take anything lower than 1.0. So anything lower than 1.0 should either be 1.0 or no results. So in that case, we know if we are talking about your grade, it must be a natural number that's between 1.0 and 10.0. So we go to the data and data validation and try to enforce this rule. At the moment, it allows any value, and now we need to choose decimal to give the rule that's in between certain numbers that's acceptable. And you can also see that there are more options to the cell. So here we have minimum 1.0 and maximum 10.0. We choose decimal because a certain for example 5.4, 7.4, these kind of numbers are also possible. So it's a decimal, not a whole number. Alright, we click OK. It looks like nothing changed, but actually when we type in 0, it will give an error. So how can we know in these yellow marked cells that we need to type in a number between 1.0 and 10.0? How about we give an extra information? So anyone open up this sheet will know in this cell you expect a number between 1.0 and 10.0. That's possible if we go to data validation again, and now instead of settings we go to input message, and here we can write down what we want the user to see. So here we can write down, please write a number that is between 1.0 and 10.0. Alright, you can have a title if you want, but now we only need the message, so we will leave it like this. And click OK. Here we have our reminder. So every time we click on A1, we will get reminded that please write a number that's between 1.0 and 10.0. So what else we can do? Let's have a look at the data validation again. There's one more tab we didn't try. That's the error alert. So if we wrote 0 or 11 or 200, it should show stop, right? We just see the error message already, but that error message actually can be customized. So you can choose what kind of message you write down here. So here, let's write here, hey, stop. You are doing it wrong. So that's a bit informal. We can even add an emoji to that, because this whole message is totally up to you to write. So we can also choose warning or information. Now we just use the stop sign. Click OK. And if we try to write 11, can you expect what to happen? Yes, we have an error message, and it shows exactly what you just write. Okay, let's retry it and give it a legitimate number 5.5, and it will be registered. This is exercise 2.2. I will see you in the next video.